After hours of deliberating, jurors in the case against D'Andre Bannister could not reach a decision and will resume tomorrow. Bannister is accused of beating his 4-year-old stepson, Tarquez Woodson, to death back in 2002. News Channel 5's Rochelle Ritchie is live at the courthouse in West Palm Beach, where closing arguments were held. Rochelle, what was said in court today?
Well, Kelly, for 8 years, the family of Tarquez Woodson have been waiting for justice. Today, the prosecution painting an ugly picture of child abuse at the hand of Bannister, while the defense says that he made a mistake by not supervising the child, who he says fell from a tree, which caused those injuries that led to his death.
That child has been lying in that bed, slowly dying for several hours.
Emotional testimony today from both the state and the defense.
He did whatever he could to entertain himself. And unfortunately, on August 7th, he fell.
D'Andre Bannister listened as prosecutors told the jury of 14 how he beat 4-year-old Tarquez Woodson to death in August of 2002.
His mother is desperate to get this child help, and he says no.
Bannister's attorney, Greg Lerman, fired back, saying his client didn't get help because he was scared he'd go to jail for not watching the child as he played outside.
Because he didn't do one thing. He didn't pay attention to his child.
Bannister told police during his 3-hour statement the little boy fell from a tree onto the concrete. The defense says those injuries ultimately led to his death, something prosecutors say jurors shouldn't buy.
All the evidence that has been presented to you today indicates that this child never fell from a tree.
And if convicted, Bannister faces life in prison without the possibility of parole. Again, jurors will resume deliberations tomorrow morning. Live in downtown West Palm, Rochelle Ritchie, WPTV News Channel 5.